So I have to give it to Aiden. This is a fantastic setup. Now I am here about an hour and the kingfisher hasn't come in yet, but that is part of wildlife photography, patience. We can never predict what wildlife is going to do, but the whole setup he has here is absolutely fantastic. Now there's a pair of swans with 4 cygnets just literally in front of me, so they could stop the kingfisher from landing as well, I'm not really sure. So guys, here's a suggestion or a tip for you. If you ever do come to the kingfisher hide, there's a pump pumping water and a constant little trickle constantly going from his diving pond. Make sure you pee before you get here, because it's going to constantly make you want to go to the pee. Although the swans are beautiful to look at, I really do wish they would somewhere else just for an hour or two. This could actually turn into a swan video. Oh my god. So I'm actually even going to say it out loud. They're finally gone. Tank. Over 2 hours just swimming in under the thing. Now the kingfisher didn't pass and I didn't hear him, which was to me quite unusual, because the minute I got out of the van, it was actually the first bird I heard this morning. So hopefully now, once they're gone away, he'll come in. So here's an interesting fact for you guys. The bullet train in Japan, when it was first designed, when it used to go through tunnels, when it used to come out the other side, there used to be a loud explosive sound, the very same as a bullet going through the barrel of a gun, and this sound apparently could be heard for miles. So scientists had to come out and engineers had to come out with a design to make it go through this tunnel and break the ear, so there was no sound when it got out. And apparently the kingfisher, when it dives, makes no sound when it hits the water. So they've designed the bullet train from the beak of the kingfisher, so that's pretty interesting. So it literally just goes to show you that wildlife is wildlife. I think a lot of people think they can come to commercial hides, as they're called, and just photo what's advertised, and that's not how it works. Obviously there is a lot of patience involved, but you know, today's Sunday, they could be gone to mass, they could be doing different things, so we just have to be patient and wait till they're finished doing what they're doing before they come by. So guys, the conditions are absolutely perfect. So at 4,000 of a second, f8, I have 250 ISO. That would make for a great picture if the kingfisher lands. Like, that is good settings, to be fair. You know, 4,000 of a second should catch every movement, f8 should catch every detail, and you know, 250, you're not going to have a grainy picture. So hopefully something lands soon. It's not too often we get conditions like this that we can shoot at 4,000 of a second especially, so fingers crossed now that something comes in and quick. Guys, that was absolutely amazing. A male just came in, he's landed on a few different perches. He only made one dive. Came up with a little fish, a nickelback or whatever it is. Literally swallowed it with his back tummy, which is unfortunate. I struggled at the start to get focus on him, but I got it near the end. Absolutely beautiful. Such a beautiful bird. Absolutely. I almost had given up, to be fair. It was almost 3 hours sitting here, but definitely well worth the wait. And as they say, when you're doing wildlife photography, you definitely need patience. Absolutely superb. Beautiful bird. So guys, I can't tell a lie, literally I was so excited there, and it definitely gave me at least a 5-minute display on different perches, and literally just gone and the 6 swans are back. That is absolutely amazing. So I am blaming these for him not coming in probably as often. Definitely a male. The female has an orange underbill, or kind of a reddy pinky colour, so that's how you tell the difference. So absolutely beautiful. Wait till you see him, guys. Beautiful. You can probably hear the swans out there. I didn't get the video of him diving, and I'm disappointed in myself because I do know the signs of him diving. I know when he's popping his head a small bit that he's judging the depth of the water and where the fish is. So I knew he was about to dive, and obviously didn't open up my camera wide enough to get the dive, but look, it's a lesson learned for me. Guys, I thought today was going to be ruined from those swans. I really do think they're the reason why they're not coming down. And I know they travel up and down the river and see swans every day, but like literally when the swans are in on perch, I just can't see it happening. What's the purpose in it? I think we all know swans can be aggressive as well, so I couldn't see a kingfisher dive in between 6 swans. I have a 3-hour drive ahead of me. I'm not looking forward to it. Not looking forward to it a bit. Riverbirch hides, brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I can't take it away from him. His setups are fantastic. Now I had a bit of a wait for the kingfisher to come in, but I am blaming the swans. I just think like they were under the perches too much. Now I didn't hear it passing either. Basically I stood up to stretch my legs, and when I stood up to stretch my legs I heard it. I could get back into my seat fast enough. So you will normally hear the kingfisher long before you see them. They've got a very, very distinctive sound. The Riverbirch hides, well worth a visit. Well worth a visit. The nature that Aidan can put in front of you is fantastic for photography. Many of us have tried to take photos of the kingfisher and have failed, and I don't know, what could be 30-40 feet away from you sitting on a perch. And it's natural, guys. This is a river running through his land with a perch on it. If you liked the video, guys, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. It is free. Please hit those buttons. I definitely will be back 100%, and look forward to coming back. I got the perfect day, guys. The light today was absolutely amazing. So the only thing I can complain about today is the suns. So I'm going to pack up, guys. I'm going to head on the road, as I said, and hopefully I'll see you all next video. Bye.